I just got this awesome mixing bowl. This is perfect for KitchenAid stand mixers with the lift head. So you want to make sure that this is for your stand mixer. It's the tilt head style only, the 4.5 and 5 quart mixer. So that is what it will fit. So if your KitchenAid looks like this, you should be good to go. So you can use this as a replacement bowl, or you could use it just to have an extra bowl. So if you do a lot of baking, you'll need an extra bowl sometimes, so you don't have to be doing dishes constantly. So let's take it out and give it a try. You can see this bowl has a really nice handle. It's really secure on there, which is good. This is a lot lighter than my other KitchenAid bowl, which I appreciate because I don't like the heavy bowls. They are hard to lift, especially when they're full. This is stainless steel, and it is dishwasher safe. So you can wash this in the dishwasher. I like to hand wash mine just to keep it looking nice and new and make sure that I get into every single nook and cranny. So let's put this on the mixer and test it out. All right, so I am in the middle of a baking project, which is my mixer looks a little dirty, but I do want to just show you how this attaches. So you're going to just put it right on top. You can see those little pieces right there are going to line up, and then you twist it to lock into place. So once it is locked into place, you can just lower your mixer, put any attachment on, and it's ready to go. When you want to take it off, you just untwist it, pull it up, and that's it. So give this bowl a try. This is perfect as a replacement bowl. This is perfect for having an extra bowl. It fits onto my mixer really nicely. Just make sure you have the right size and you'll be ready to go. It's nice and locked on. It's not going anywhere. It's going to keep all your batters and cookies secure on there while the mixer is doing its job and working away. So give it a try, and I think you'll love it.